We're going to do a brief video on gold price prediction, gold price forecast, and we've got a daily chart of gold futures on here from the COMEX exchange, and it is symbol GC. This is a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Gold's down today $21, high of $16.70 and a low of $16.40 on this COMEX gold futures contract. Let's take a quick look at it. You can't see it on this chart, but gold has sold down to about $1,640 right here. Basically, that's not, it sounds like a big deal, but it's really not that big of a deal. This is just a technical sell-off. Gold is still above its low that it put in here on the 21st of 1621, and that's the most important thing right now. It's selling off. It might have gotten a little ahead of itself. It doesn't look overbought to me, but it has sold down a little bit. Not really aggressively to here, 1640 today. Not a big deal. I expect gold's going to catch some support in here. I could be wrong. We'll look at another chart in a minute, and I'm going to show you some algorithmically generated prices in a minute. But in general, I would say that the outlook for gold is not yet negative. We're in a bear market in gold, there's no question, but we're also sideways. We've essentially been sideways, oscillating around this 1680 price since about September 15th, and so we're below 1680, obviously, currently trading below that, but it's not a big deal. If it breaks this 1621 level that we set back October 21st, that's starting to become a big deal. But right now, I'd say this is not a big deal. Let's take a look at it real quick from a weekly perspective to see where we are. If we go down here and take a look, we can see that we've broken through. In the past month and a half, we've broken through the 200-week moving average for gold. We're below the 20-week moving average. We're flirting with the 5-week moving average. So in general, we're in a bear market on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, but not a huge deal. The weekly average is this 200-week moving average is not known for having stocks or anything bounce right off of it like a 200-day moving average does. You can see it broke down here back in the September timeframe, August-September timeframe of 2018, and it came right back. So I don't see that as being a huge negative. It's a negative, but not a huge one. So if we go back to the daily chart, we can look and say, what do we think in the short term? In the short term, I think gold probably will catch some support here and rally back up. I'd be surprised if gold wasn't in the 1690 to 1700 range here by, let's just be conservative and say, starting the 3rd week of November. Now that's just my prediction. It's not a prediction, it's just an estimate, a guesstimate for entertainment purposes only, my opinion. But let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it today. We go down here and look at RBAM Research algorithmically generated entry prices for the 28th of October. We have a 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding period, and RBAM says to short it at 1657 today for entertainment purposes only. 2-day 1663 and all the way up to 1669 on the 20-day hold. So let's see if that would have made any money today. And our high today is 1670, our low is 1640. So all of these have been hit, and all of these have been profitable already today. In some cases, profitable quite a bit. If you could have got a short in up here at the 1669, you could have hypothetically made, you know, 25, 30 bucks, or 29, 25, 29 bucks, and so forth. Even the 1657 would have hypothetically made you 16 bucks today, roughly, on a 1-day hold. So these are trading days. 1 day is in today, out Monday at the close at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them. So you would theoretically get out of every one of these today, no matter what the holding period was, and take your profits. Because anytime you're looking at $25, $20, $17 profit a day in gold, you take it. That's all for entertainment purposes only, my opinion. You always have to do your own analysis. You definitely trade at your own risk, but these are great, fun and entertaining to look at. If you get my understanding, you come by, you take a look at them and make your own decisions. But you can get everything we've got here every morning by 7 a.m. Gold and everything but the cryptos comes out the night before, usually after 6 p.m. No guarantees. It's definitely going to be out 7 a.m. the morning of. But if you check with us early the night before, you can often get everything but crypto after 6 p.m., cryptos after 8 p.m. Link in the description below, free access, no credit card required. rbamresearch.com, put in your email address over there and get immediate free access. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, especially my commentary and the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. Can only use them for entertainment, can't use them for anything else. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.